Choosing the right Fusion splicing machine is critical for reliable fiber optic connections, but not all devices deliver consistent performance. Poor alignment, slow splicing speed, and limited features can lead to signal loss and inefficiency. A good Fusion splicer should offer fast operation, precise core alignment, and user-friendly controls. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best Fusion splicing machines you can buy right now, perfect for technicians, installers, and network professionals. We reviewed performance, features, and user feedback to build this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Let's get started. Number 5. COMPTYCO A-87S Fusion Splicer. The COMPTYCO A-87S Fusion Splicer is a reliable and feature-packed tool for fiber optic work. It supports both single-mode and multi-mode fibers, ensuring versatility across different applications. The multilingual touchscreen interface makes operations simple and efficient even for beginners. Built-in tools like an optical power meter and visual fault locator add extra convenience. With stable core alignment and consistent performance, this machine is ideal for installation, maintenance, and repair tasks in fiber optic networks. Number 4. A-87S Automatic Fusion Splicer. The A-87S Fusion Splicer offers fully automatic operation, making it a great choice for professionals who need speed and accuracy. Designed for trunk lines and jumper cables, it delivers precise splicing with minimal effort. Its advanced alignment system ensures strong and reliable connections, reducing signal loss. The complete kit includes essential accessories for immediate use. Durable and efficient, this splicer is suitable for both fieldwork and workshop environments. Number 3. Saixian 400K Fusion Splicer. The Saixian 400K Fusion Splicer is built for high-precision fiber optic work. It features automatic hot melt splicing with accurate fiber alignment, ensuring strong and stable connections. Designed for installation and maintenance, it includes safety monitoring features to enhance reliability during operation. Its compact design and efficient performance make it easy to handle in various environments, ideal for technicians who require dependable and consistent splicing results. Number 2. SAIVXIAN Fusion Splicer. The SAIVXIAN Fusion Splicer combines speed, precision, and convenience in one package. With a fast 6-second splicing time, it improves productivity for professional users. It includes built-in tools like a visual fault locator and optical power meter, making it a complete solution for fiber optic tasks. The multilingual interface ensures ease of use, while its durable design supports field operations. A great option for technicians looking for efficiency and versatility. Number 1. SKYSHL Core Alignment Fusion Splicer. The SKYSHL Fusion Splicer takes the top spot with its advanced core alignment technology and user-friendly design. Featuring a 4.3-inch touchscreen, it provides clear visuals and easy control during operation. It supports SM, MM, DS, and NZDS fibers, making it highly versatile. Designed for FTTH and professional fiber installations, it delivers accurate and reliable splicing results. Compact, durable, and efficient, this machine is perfect for both field technicians and advanced users. A high-quality Fusion splicer ensures strong, stable, and low-loss fiber connections. These top picks offer fast splicing, precise alignment, and reliable performance for various applications. Whether you're a beginner or a professional technician, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.